Alright, welcome back to the Quick Speed Shop. I've got a new segment here. It's summertime and I'm very busy at work and I haven't had a lot of time to do project work in my garage, so I had an idea of what I can do here on some weeks when I just haven't got any progress done. I'm going to start a new segment called What You Talking About Wednesday, where I come up with a topic and I talk about it. So today on the Quick Speed Shop I got the first ever What You Talking About Wednesday. The time my blue 77 Ford F250 Camper Special was in a movie. Here it is. Bam. It's called The Hammer. Now this is a story about Matt the Hammer Hamill, a UFC fighter. He was from Utica, New York area, and he went to Rochester Institute of Technology, and they made a film about his life. Hold on a second, I got a mosquito. Bam. They made a film about his life, and they filmed it at RIT, and my truck happened to be there, and I ended up getting my truck in the film. And if you look on the back of the DVD here, right here, here's Raymond J. Barry. He's actually in my F250 right now, driving it. So the story was, in the early part of life, Matt Hamill grew up in Ohio, and his grandfather had a garage, and they needed a truck for the garage scenes, and they ended up using my Ford. Now this was in 2010, right after I got this truck. It was still blue and white like this, but it had dual wheels on the back. I had fixed the box in the back and primered it up and all that. It still had dual wheels. It didn't have dual exhaust, but the rest of it was pretty much the same. I shined it all up. I rubbed it out. It was pretty shiny then. It's kind of flat and dull now. But they ended up using the movie, use it in the movie for pretty much, I don't know, 10, 12 scenes easily. There's some good road shots of it. I've got a link in the description down below of the movie trailer for this movie. It won like 7 or 8 awards, oh, 9 awards I guess, and it's a pretty good movie. It's a good story, real nice filming, and I got to be on set for a couple days while they filmed it, and got to have my truck in it, so that's pretty cool. So go check out the Hammer film. You can go on IMDb and look up The Hammer. It's got Russell Harvard, Raymond J. Barry, Susan Gibney starred in it. And the best thing about it is, when we got done with the movie, I had them sign the dashboard of the truck. I'll show you that right now. So the truck's kind of trash, but you can see here, where's my finger? There it is, bam! Russell Harvard, Raymond J. Barry, and Susan Gibney, who played the mother of Russell Harvard. And I had them sign the dashboard with a paint marker. It's been in there since 2010. And for a little provenance that this truck was in the movie. And it was pretty cool. So that's it. The first episode of What You Talking About Wednesday. About the time my Ford F250 was in a movie. So you can go and you can check it out, the Hammer film. Go to YouTube. I think you can watch the whole thing on YouTube. And thanks everybody for watching the first episode of What You Talking About Wednesday. So I'm putting on new videos every Wednesday and Saturday. Tell your friends, hit the bell for alerts, and as always, we'll see you right back here at the Quick Speed Shop.